Go. Get out, you weirdo. Hey kids, welcome to the new look of the Cool Tool Tuesday series here on Timbicon's YouTube channel. Hello, microphone. Hey, can you guys see right up my nose? So the basic idea behind the new look to the Cool Tool Tuesdays is to get longtime customers to come in and talk about their favorite tools that are in stock at your local Timbicon store, whether you're here or in Perth. I'm Phil Schinbein. I own a small drum company. I come in here, I bug these guys, I talk about all the tools constantly, and it's so much fun. This week on Cool Tool Tuesday, I'm going to talk about Bessey's new GearKlamp. That's clamp with a K. This one in particular is the GK45 because it's 450 by 60 mil. These are very slick little clamps. There are 100 billion different variations of an F clamp on the market. This one is very cool in that in here there's some a couple gears that make it so that when you twist the handle here, it moves the bit there. That might not seem like a big deal, but if you're ever in a tight spot and you go to turn the handle that's here, you're gonna bash your knuckles on whatever's in the way, which, you know, sucks. It's not fun, you know, because then, you know, you cut your knuckle open, you're bleeding all over your stuff, and you gotta worry about that stuff. Other nifty features of this particular unit is the quick release thumb trigger. Ooh, very cool. Also, when we get right into here, you can get this little foot off, and you can see right in there. We'll probably do a closer shot. You can see it's got a little cross pattern in there. You can actually clamp this onto some tubing or something round, and it won't wiggle around when you add pressure to it, right? Which is just slick. But speaking of these plastic bits here, they are designed so that when you clamp down, when you get a bit carried away and you clamp down really hard on stuff, they don't actually mar the surface in any way. These Bessey make amazing clamps, and this new one that they've come up with is very cool. It is a kind of medium duty, not really heavy duty. You know, you wouldn't want to clamp it to something and try and rest your body weight on it and hope you don't die, but which you'd never want to do with a clamp anyway. Crap, why did I say that? So there you have it. Bessey's new GearKlamp is very cool. My glasses are falling off my face like they often are. I'm gonna walk out the door with 6 of them after I pay for them, of course. Of course. For more information on this and everything that you need to get woodworking, go to timbicon.com.au or follow the links down below in the doobly-doo. As always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this video and this channel and all that fun stuff. And yeah, I have been and will remain Phil, and I'll probably see you again at some point. I don't know when.
Is he really normal, Doctor?